ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI, designed to engage in natural language conversations with humans. It uses deep learning techniques and natural language processing to understand and generate responses to user queries. ChatGPT is capable of understanding and generating responses in multiple languages, making it a versatile tool for communication across different cultures and communities. Its knowledge is based on a vast corpus of text data, including books, articles, and online sources, which allows it to answer a wide range of questions on various topics. To use ChatGPT, you can interact with it through a chat interface. You can ask it a question or make a statement, and it will respond with a relevant answer or a follow-up question to clarify your query. It can also generate text based on a given prompt, making it useful for tasks such as language translation, text summarization, and content generation. ChatGPT has several applications, including customer service, virtual assistants, and chatbots. Its ability to understand and generate natural language responses makes it an effective tool for providing personalized support to users and customers. To get the most out of ChatGPT, it's essential to provide clear and concise queries. The more precise your query, the better the response you'll receive. It's also helpful to provide context to your query, as this can help ChatGPT generate more accurate and relevant responses. Overall, ChatGPT is a powerful tool for engaging in natural language conversations with humans. Its versatility, accuracy, and ability to learn from vast amounts of data make it an invaluable resource for businesses, researchers, and individuals seeking to communicate effectively across language barriers.